Hi, this is John, Trichologist at Freedom Clinic. I just wanted to talk quickly about Traction Alopecia today. If you have a look at the screen here, if you're doing protective styles, it's really important that you're not feeling tension on your hair follicles here. So when you put in these braids, you got to make sure that they're loose enough that you don't feel any tension whatsoever, because if you're feeling tension over the long term, it can cause a type of hair loss called traction alopecia. And you've probably seen this before. Here's an example of it. And this is from long-term pulling on the roots of the hair. So make sure those protective styles are loose. Same thing with ponytails. If you're wearing tight ponytails over the long term, if you're feeling tension, that can cause something called traction alopecia. And here's another example of it from a tight ponytail. So when you're doing protective styles and ponytails, make sure that hair is loose and you don't feel any tension whatsoever on the roots. Okay, good luck.